Do you need to replace the door bumpers in your washer, but don't know how to? This is Eric with Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to remove and replace them. These instructions apply to washers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. The door bumper helps absorb impact when the door is swung closed against the washer's frame. A common reason the bumpers are replaced is if the retainers on the back break and fail to hold it in place. If the bumper is broken or missing, it should be replaced. To access the door bumper, we'll first need to open the washer's door. The door bumper is located here. Gently insert a flathead screwdriver into the gap between the door bumper and the inner door panel. Rotate the blade of the screwdriver till you are able to free the bumper from the door. If you need to purchase a new door bumper, you can check our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your appliance to make sure you get the correct part. To install, align the new door bumper to the slot in the inner door panel and push it into place. Then, close the washer's door. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.